pretty smooth ride. No traffic at all. Smooth sailing. And now we're here. Bun Cha.
Oh, sorry. In the menu, if you want to see.
Okay, thank you.
We have Bun Cha, the noodle soup here.
What is it? Bun Cha?
Bun Cha. Bun it means the rice noodle. Cha means the grilled pork inside the soup. You can see normally like this. Yeah, we have for Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk or with sugar. Like one.
Do you have the egg coffee?
Yeah, we have egg coffee. Have you tried egg coffee before?
No, I've never tried it.
Yeah, but normally egg coffee we eat. We try after the meal, like because that's sweet a little bit.
Okay.
The cream is sweet, and then if you want to try, you can eat first, and after that, when you finish, I bring that for you. Yeah, this is the Bun Cha, the local food in the North Vietnam. The first, you can take some garlic and chili in your soup for more flavor. So be careful with the chili here, really spicy. Just one or two slices for smeller or for flavor. And with the noodle, just dip in the soup like little by little. You enjoy with the vegetable together. You can wrap more smaller together with the noodle.
I
so
see.
Enjoy your time.
Okay, thank you. Pretty good. So those noodles and the soup was amazing, but egg coffee, not quite my taste. Kind of reminded me of drinking like straight Hershey's chocolate syrup straight from the bottle. It was like really thick and sweet and kind of like eggy, creamy coffee taste. Okay, I'm gonna try shave and earwax. Very cool. Interesting. It's for YouTube. I make YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. So
Yeah.
it's time for the ear cleaning. Oh yeah, do you want to take a video? Okay, thank you. Yeah. It's a little scary.
Ear clean.
Yeah, ear cleaning.
She is clean, very beautiful.
Lùm mất tự nhiên ta lùm không được để dùng gai. Luôn chỗ thoát luôn bên đó.
Yeah, thank you for filming this. It's a new experience for me. Oh my god. Wow. It's my dirty ear. Tumble, okay. Yeah, very good.
Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you. Tunbu. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Good place for earwax and shave. Very nice. Yeah. Alright.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Oh, I can actually hear. I've never gotten my ears cleaned in my life. So, if you're ever in Vietnam, yeah, might want to give it a try. I'm not sure if it's medically approved by a doctor, but I feel okay for now. Alright, I think that's enough of the old town right for now. So I was recommended to go check out the coconut fishing village, which is about 5 kilometers from here. So let's go check that out. Here we go. Okay, I think this lady is trying to get me to go on her boat. I'm a little scared. Is your house?
Yes, my house.
Huh? Okay. Alright, I think she's kidnapping me. This
Boat and fishing.
fishing boat.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you married?
No, not married. No.
No. Same
Yeah,
here.
same year. Oh, look at this.
How old?
31.
30.
31. Yeah.
Oh, very young.
Okay. Ah. Okay. I was not planning to take a boat.
Nó mới lồng hơi đam, cái lồng qua đam nó lại.
Yeah. I have to study.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Russ.
Fred.
Russ.
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 Yes.
Russ handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Russ handsome.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. What is your name?
My name Thai.
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 Like Thailand.
Thai.
Bye. Yeah, somehow I ended up here on this boat. Yeah, they're really good at recruiting you. She just found me when I was at a stop sign on my motorbike. And I pretty much just followed her. And now I'm here. We're gonna spin. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. So as I'm about to fall overboard on this spinning boat, I just like to remind everyone about the importance of health insurance while traveling. I've been using Safety Wing and they've been completely awesome so far. They just came out with the Nomad Insurance 2.0. which covers 30 plus adventure sports from cave diving to skydiving, theft of electronics up to $1,000 per item, and signing up is super simple and straightforward, takes about 5 minutes, and honestly I wish health insurance in the US could be this simple and affordable, but anyway, links in the description below, and let's get back to the video. Whoa. Oh. I'm dizzy. Oh, hey crab. Here. Hey crab.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
I got the crab.
Oh, the rat hungry.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what you good?
Wow, very good. Nice.
Nhâm nhâm nhâm.
Oh, you eat?
Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry. I just ate. Okay.
One second. Here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, coconut boat ride. It was basically pure chaos. Slightly a tourist trap. I paid like $13 for that whole experience, which I guess it's alright. And yeah, the lady just kind of found me at a red light, started following me and was like, hey, come to my house, come on my boat. And yeah, I'm just like, alright, sounds good. And that happened. I think I paid a little bit too much. Seems like the going rate's like 200,000 dong or 150,000 dong. But she was nice enough, and yeah. But yeah, that was pure chaos though.